Enclosed by fireproof walls and hoistway doors. The hoistway is sometimes called the hatchway or hatch. There are two types of elevators, hydraulic and traction. Hydraulic elevators usually serve up to 8 floors or stops and travel at speeds less than 200 feet per minute. Traction elevators are designed for taller buildings and can travel at much higher speeds. Hydraulic elevators are pushed up from underneath, while traction elevators are pulled up from above. A jack is required to push the hydraulic elevator up. The conventional hydraulic elevator jack sticks straight down into the ground as far as the elevator goes up. Digging the hole for the jack is expensive and difficult. Therefore, the hydraulic elevator is used only in low-rise buildings. The building does not need to be reinforced because the load is supported on the jack. This feature makes the hydraulic elevator a very popular design. The high-speed traction elevator has no limit on height, so it's a natural for high-rise buildings. The traction elevator is pulled up by cables attached to the top of the car. The machine room is normally located above the hoistway in an area known as the penthouse. This machine room is where the driving machine for the traction elevator is located. Cables or wire ropes run from the machine room down to a dead weight in the hoistway called the counterweight. There are safety devices on traction elevators that keep the car under control. One such device on a traction elevator is a large clamp called a safety. When activated or set, it anchors the car to the building by gripping the rails. The safety is activated by a device in the machine room called a governor. The governor monitors the car speed, and if the car overspeeds, the governor removes power to the elevator drive motor and brake. If the car speed continues to increase in the down direction, the governor then sets the safety. Remember, safeties of this type are found only on traction elevators. Car safeties and governors are not required for hydraulic elevators, because they can descend no faster than oil can escape from the system. Cushioning devices called buffers are located at the bottom of the hoistway in an area called the pit. Spring buffers are large coil springs, generally mounted on stands and used on low-speed elevators. The oil buffer uses a spring and reinforces it with an oil cushion, similar to a shock absorber on an automobile. This type buffer is used on high-speed elevators. Next, we will look at elevator door operation and the differences between hoistway doors and car doors. The hoistway doors are located at every landing served by the elevator. They provide protection to the public when the elevator car is not at that floor. Every hoistway door must be equipped with an interlock safety device. The interlock locks the hoistway doors and in doing so completes an electrical circuit that allows car movement. The doors on the elevator are called car doors or gates. The door operator is a machine mounted on the car top. This machine opens and closes the car doors. The door restrictor is a mechanical device that prevents the car door from opening when the car is more than 18 inches from a floor. The clutch is a device mounted on the car door, which engages the hoistway door pickup rollers and actuates the interlock, causing both sets of doors to move together. Car doors have reopening devices for passenger safety. Mechanical safety edges cause the doors to reopen when activated. Photo eyes utilize light beams and a series of reflectors. If the beam is broken while the doors are closing, the doors will reopen. Electric proximity edges operate by sensing a presence in the door opening. Elevators designed to carry people are passenger elevators. Elevators designed to carry material are freight elevators. The car of a freight elevator is called an enclosure and is built to withstand heavy industrial use. The doors on freight elevators are called gates. You have been introduced to some of the components of an elevator, such as a sling with stiles, crosshead, bolster or safety plank, platform, brace rods, tow guard, and platen plate. There are two distinct types of elevators: hydraulic elevators and traction elevators. Safety features of elevators include governors, safeties, buffers, interlocks, and door reopening devices. The two elevator classifications are passenger and freight. This video has introduced you to the operation of one of the safest forms of transportation in the world, the elevator.